What is up, everybody? Take a seat. We're about to jump into this. We're going to talk about how to ride defensively and how to avoid motorcycle crashes in the corners. All right, we got two videos here. Let's take a look. We're coming into here. Okay, got a quad lock. That's good. That's good. Ooh, foot down. Why are we putting our foot down? Okay, we found an escape. Having some fun, laughing about it. Not too bad, not too bad. We're taking it easy. We weren't going super fast. We just didn't corner. All right, let's take a quick look at what happened here. So we're coming in through here. Hey, we're going a decent speed, but it's not that bad, not that bad. Remember, you need to do slow look, press, and roll when you go through corners, okay? So slow down before the turn. That's a big one. Look through the turn. Keep your eyes going where you want to go. We're right here. We want to go there. We're right here. We want to go there. We're right here. We want to go there. Okay, let's go and bring that back up on the board. Press to initiate that counter steering. So really look into it and counter steer, okay? You have to actually steer a little bit. It's not just body language and moving off to the side. And then rolling the throttle on the way out, okay? You're going to lose some speed through the corner. Not a lot, but once your nose is pointed where you want it to go ahead and roll on the throttle, okay? It's the best way to do it defensively. Okay, we got our foot down, maybe a little inexperienced. Now, one of the things that we need to look for when it comes to corners, because not every corner is a sharp corner, but write in the comments before I get to it, what is it? What is it? What is this? That is a chevron. That is a chevron. That's going to indicate that it's a sharp corner ahead. That means we should probably slow it down. It's a lot easier to add speed later versus going really fast into the corner, because if you're going super duper fast, typically this is what happens. Now right here we got maybe a blind corner because now we have that line of sight issue because of the car. It can disrupt you. It can disrupt you, so be aware of that. Okay, coming up to here, we are not prepared for it. We don't like it. We couldn't see around it. Look, the corner's pretty sharp. It's doing pretty good. Something's happening. We don't want to crash. Thankfully it's not the side of a cliff or into oncoming traffic. There's no guardrail. Good. Okay, this is one of those good situations here. So we're going to find that escape path. We failed. We didn't negotiate the corner. We're going to find that escape path. We're going to get ourselves out of here and slow down as much as we can while we have traction on pavement. And the guy up front's not doing too well. While we have pavement, and then once we transition to this, we don't want to slam the brakes anymore because we're going to lose traction. When we start applying even more brake pressure, even the same amount while we're on pavement, it's going to lose traction on the front tire, and you typically see them kind of dump it at the end. So right here, he's kind of rolling through it now, maybe giving a little bit of brake pressure. Slow down enough. We still got traction. Maybe he's got some knobbies or 50-50 on and off road. And he's laughing a little bit about it. That's why I like dual sport. Nice and easy, smooth turn. Here's the thing, though. Thankfully, we're able to do this. Not every time. Not every time. There's usually a guardrail, the edge of a cliff, the side of a mountain, oncoming traffic. Not all the time. So the goal isn't to, hey, if I fail, I'm just going to do this. No, it's not the case. If you fail, more than likely you're going to crash. This is an exception to that rule. Very good. Grab yourself a cone pattern. It's up on the board. It's upside. There you go. Or grab yourself a cardo. But yeah, quad lock 2. Make sure you guys are going through the corners pretty easily, pretty slow for the first few times, for maybe even every time, and then add speed later. All right, video number 2. So caution when overtaking trucks. We're going to overtake a truck. Let's see what happens. Filming with a potato. There's the truck. Road surface is kind of meh. Going 100-something kilometers per hour. Sharp left turn coming up ahead. Wasn't able to do that. I don't know why the truck did that. Don't know why. Doesn't matter. Good job on the braking. Okay, so we're going pretty fast. We're just going to treat this like a racetrack. I like to have my GPS just like this. If it's a racetrack, you know, I like to treat it because, look, you can see the turn. You can see the turns coming up. So it allows you to see that stuff like GTA or something. I think that said 30 kilometers per hour right there. I don't know if that's for trucks only or what, but we're going 115. Okay, so this truck just went over the line. Once you see any vehicles crossing the line right here, okay, you see that right there, is the moment you should be like, definite orange stage, even in the corners, but definite orange stage. I don't like it. And look what he's doing. Very good. Reaching for the front brake, allowing himself to get some progressive braking in before we get even closer so that we don't collide with the vehicle. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what happens here. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And you see how we don't have to come to a stop. We don't have to. He just needs to not hit the vehicle. Now, if something still happens, we could accelerate and get ourselves through this escape path, but it's kind of dangerous because this is a large vehicle, and who knows if they continue moving over to the right and we clip our hand on the rail. Okay, that happens a lot. We see it a lot. So good job choosing braking as the option to do it. Has some gear. It doesn't look like full gear. So make sure you guys are wearing full gear. Be a smart rider. Acquire and use personal protective equipment. There's a link in the description. It's the first one. It says riding-smart/1-link. It has all my affiliates, RevZills being one of them. Plus, like I said, the drill booklet and a bunch of other stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at, oh, there's not much more, but there's still a lot more hazards possibly coming up. So once you pass something like this, achievement unlocked, you survived, there's gonna be something else in front of you. So constantly use these close calls as practice and get that into your head that I can swerve, I can brake, I need to plan my ride. Make sure you're not wasting these moments. And that's why we're learning from them. So everybody go ahead and grab a slice of pizza, and I'll see you on the next video.